Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually filming AIG reel for Pixie Beauty. It's for their advent calendar. So I'll insert the Instagram here if you want to see. And I'll quickly show you also what is their weight. So this is the Pixie advent calendar. It's 12 days. Iconic Pixie products. So yeah, I just opened it. Here's how it looks like. Ang cute niya. Para sang shop ng mga Pixie. Dito yung una. Nabuksan ko na eh. Andito na siya. Ayan, ayan siya. 12 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ayan. Cute! Panoorin niyo yung IG reel ko, guys. First ever advent calendar.
It's still frozen. Is it okay for you? Hi, Michelle. Your order's ready.
Trying their matcha blueberry. Can I taste that one? This is what it's called? Coconut raspberry. Pudding, wala. One is better.
What?
No, this one.
This one is better?
Guys, papunta na ako. Etong aking OOTD. White lang siya. Tsaka haltered na ito. Tapos orange and Gucci bag. Let's go. ano siya, Bali branch. Only branch, I think. Sa BH. Basta pakita ko sa inyo yung place.
Head southwest.
I forgot kung saan exactly. So, magbabranch kami. And I think unlimited pati yung drinks. Pero hindi man ako inom ng sobra. Let's see. Let's go!
Turn right, then turn left.
$345 yung sa gents. Oh my God. Ayan no, $295 and $345. Here's what's included. $393, $450. Go lang, go lang. Punutan! Oh my God, Nat! Oh. Hindi ko alam, Meron ka na? Wait lang, baka nabulot yung sarili nyo. Check nyo muna. Ay, hindi. Hala! Ano, 150 to 200 or 150? 150, okay.
Meron na akong wishes, send ko mamaya.
Anong wish mo? Sabihin mo na kayo ni person, mamaya pa.
Perfume din.
Perfume? Ikaw, perfume din. Ikaw? Wala, Jo Malone, 150. Lip gloss sa'yo, lip gloss. Okay. Perfume din. May ano ka na? Kung anong perfume? Ano?
French Avenue. I'll give you the link. It's cheap. I think it's on sale now.
Oh.
Yes, I will.
Tira muna natin.
Wow! Hi guys! So, I just reached home and in the parking now. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you always for watching doon sa mga laging nanonood. Kahit konti lang naman yung views. O diba, feeling ko ang daming nanonood. Pero wala lang. Gusto ko lang mag-upload ng video for the memories, syempre. And yeah, see you again on the next vlog. Bye!